In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a spreadsheet of prospects into your leads module quickly and confidently. Start by opening Zoho CRM and heading to the leads module. This is your central place for managing prospects, so importing here ensures everything lands where your team expects it. Once you're on the leads list view, look for the small drop-down arrow in the toolbar. It usually sits near options like creating a new lead or performing bulk actions. Click that arrow to reveal more choices and then select Import Leads. This opens Zoho's guided import flow. On the first screen, click Browse to choose your file. Most teams use a CSV, XLS, or XLSX. A quick tip before you upload: make sure your spreadsheet has a clear header row, consistent formats for dates and phone numbers, and one lead per row. Remove any formulas, merged cells, or stray notes so the import tool can read everything cleanly. When your file is selected, click Next to upload it. You'll now be asked how you want these records handled. Choose Add as New Leads. This option is best when you're bringing in fresh prospects and don't want to update existing records. It keeps the process straightforward and prevents accidental overwrites. After selecting that option, click Next to continue. Now it's time to map your fields. Zoho will try to auto-match your column headers to CRM fields. Review each pairing carefully. Make sure essential lead fields, like last name and company, are mapped correctly, since Zoho requires them for new lead records. If your spreadsheet uses different labels, pick the appropriate CRM field from the dropdown. For columns you don't need, feel free to skip them. And for pick list fields, verify the values match what exists in your CRM to avoid errors. This step is where accuracy pays off, so take a moment to double check. When you're happy with the mappings, click Next. You'll see a final summary screen to review your choices. If everything looks right, click Finish to start the import. Zoho will process the file and display a result summary showing how many leads were created and if any rows were skipped. If you see a few failures, download the error file, correct those rows in your spreadsheet, and rerun a quick import just for those entries. That's it. Your leads are now in Zoho CRM, ready for follow-up, scoring, and assignment. Thanks for watching, and great job at taking this important step to streamline your sales pipeline.